Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to Baking with Books. Today we're going to be baking some funfetti cupcakes, and I am so excited. And today we don't need as many ingredients. We have 3 eggs, 1 box of funfetti mix, 1 cup of oil, and a cupcake tray with the little liners. And we're going to make 12 cupcakes today. So let's go ahead. The first step we're going to need to do is open the mix and pour it in the water. I already poured 1 cup of water in the bowl. So then we'll mix the confetti mix in there. Let's take a look at the instructions. Next, we'll add our oil. You'll need a 1/2 cup, Willow. One 1/2 cup. Try not to spill. Oh, got it in. 1/2 cup of oil. And then it says beat, or other words, mix. So we're gonna take our tool and we're gonna mix this all up. Whoa, Willow! What did we forget? We forgot the eggs. Crack these eggs open. 1. Ooh, 2. 3. Ooh, Willow, we would have had some nasty tasting cupcakes without our eggs. Good thing we remembered. All right, now we gotta mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix until, ooh, look, you see the eggs starting to mix in there? And it starts to mix. Ooh, it smells delicious. Willow, take a smell. No licking, no licking. Don't want any dog little whiskers in there. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. This is so much easier than the last couple things we made. We made blueberry muffins. We made, well, what else did we make? We made blueberry muffins and cookies. The cookies didn't turn out so good because I used spray and burnt the bottoms. But we're getting better at this, at baking. All right, I think we're ready. Nice and quick. So now I have my measuring tool here. Move this over so Willow can see and supervise. No licking, Willow. We have 1.
Nice and steady. 2. You know what? I think I'm gonna go big. I'm gonna try something else. See this works. Oh, steady hand. Don't pour too much. Whoop! This is dangerous. I'm still on the mix everywhere. It's hard work. Whoop. Willow's gonna eat these, I can tell. She wants to steal a cupcake. Too bad our story today isn't about dogs eating cupcakes. It's about an animal that starts with the letter C who likes to eat cupcakes. So we're gonna start with the letter C, the letter A, and the letter T. See if you can guess at home. C-A-T. And this animal loves to eat cupcakes. And Willow actually does not like these animals. She likes to bark at them.
Anytime she sees them, she chases after them. So now we're gonna put our cupcakes, all 12 of them, and you can check to count. We have 12 cupcakes. And then we're going to put it in the oven. So on this temperature, we're gonna put it on 350 degrees. Put it on the top shelf, close. Then we're gonna take a look at today's story. If you give a cat a cupcake. Better make sure those cats don't come here though, because Willow will get them. If you give a cat a cupcake. If you give a cat a cupcake, he'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. When you give him the sprinkles, he might spill some on the floor. Cleaning up will make him hot, so you'll give him a bathing suit. And take him to the beach. He'll want to go in the water and build a sandcastle too. Then he'll look for seashells. he'll find a few other things as well. He'll put them in his pail and try to pick it up, but it'll be too heavy. He'll decide he needs to work out at the gym. First, he'll warm up on the treadmill. Then, he'll lift a weight or two. He might even try a karate class. Hi-ya! After the gym, he'll want to go to the park. When you get there, he'll see the rocks and he'll climb as high as he can go. At the top, he'll see the lake. He'll want you to take him rowing. He'll be the captain and you'll have to row. Then he'll notice the merry-go-round and want to go for a ride. Ah! He'll want you to go for a ride too. You'll choose the horse with the purple mane, and he'll get on the whale. The whale will remind him of the science museum. He'll ask you to take him there. First, he'll find the dinosaurs. Then he'll visit the Hall of Apes. Where the museum closes, you'll be asked to leave. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach. You'll help him gather all of his things. Then he'll want to race you. When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes. He might spill some on the floor. Seeing the sand on the floor will remind him of the sprinkles. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him some sprinkles, he'll want a cupcake to go with them.
Wow, listening to that story about cupcakes really made me hungry. So we finished the last step and we put the icing all over our cupcakes. But just like the cat, we're gonna want some sprinkles to go with our cupcake. So we're gonna put a little bit of sprinkles on our cupcakes. And Willow's got a special letter on her cupcake. W for Willow. I really enjoyed that story and I hope you did too. Thanks for joining me and Willow for Baking with Books. Join us next time. Bye.